Abby and today we are back in weightlifting 3. I did a run video. Story is quite long, so let's make it a short story. I uploaded a wrong video and I didn't even mean to make that story. Yes, please don't look at it. It's so embarrassing. I need a lot of things. Okay, so let's just do
You can't even move that.
Yes, I can.
Well, you can.
No.
You told me to go into
Who am I?
that.
To get a little bit of strength, can I tell you? Tell me, please, please. Save me. Save me. Save me. They can get their they can get emails. Help me, help me, help me. Oh, please. I am such a small fry.
No. Oh,
Help me. Help me. That's sad. Okay, let's just don't look at this picture here.
Okay, please.
Don't kill this guy. He is young. Like, the good thing about being so big is that you can't see tiny people coming up behind you and killing you. Yeah. I'm just coming from the air right now, like, totally normal. This is like one of the normalest things I've ever seen in my whole life. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, don't worry. Excuse me. I wanna go a little bit. No one ever was. So easy. Okay, so my speed is not going that high, but this is actually a pretty fun game. We have this here, it's pretty fun. Sorry, it's working. No, it's working. I can go on this one. I'm big enough. Yes, I am. I need this one. See how rude she is? I bet I can use it. Look, I'm using it. Okay, well, we're just gonna use this bigger one because we're much better than we really are.
Yeah.
Let's do some weight. I'm getting bored of a treadmill. I think I'm fast enough. Now I think, wow, wind jump. Okay, so we're getting our strength up a little bit because I really need it. Mike, how fast am I? I need to be pretty fast. But this is so boring. I want to kill someone. I want to kill someone. Someone ever was. Hold on. I have that theme song stuck in my head. That's 5. 5. You see how boring she is? She does that in every fight. Every time you have to fight someone, she doesn't want to fight. She knows I'll win. That's why. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this video. Amelia just ran off because she's rude, and yeah. Just saying, Amelia is the rudest people in the world. Oh, I like the music stuff. Okay, but see ya. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.